I'm starting off my Friday morning with about an hour and a half of sleep. I got home last night maybe about 3 a.m. but I couldn't go to sleep. I fell asleep around 6:30, 7 o'clock. And I think I fell asleep at 6 o'clock. And I woke up at about 7:45, 7:30. Well, technically, I never really went to sleep if you consider me calling Susie and waking her up at 7 a.m. Anyways, my mom had woken up and she was talking to one of my aunts on the phone, kind of loud. Today's gonna be a good day. I'm starting off my day by going to the dentist, investing a little bit of dough into these pearly whites. Well, it's not technically these, it's the fillings in my teeth. Yeah, they just numbed me, so I can't really feel the left side of my mouth. So hopefully I won't be biting myself when I talk to you guys later on today. And this is why my dentist rocks. Oh yeah.
How? Okay, this is the patient. Close your mouth first. Now we're gonna go in. Open up.
You want the light?
Okay, let's look at the light. Lights, camera, action. Light, come on, Miriam.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's too much. Let me see. Yeah. See, we're doing this hole here. You can see this. This is the hole right here. I'm pointing
It
this.
doesn't brush at all, huh?
It doesn't brush. That's why there's a hole. And this is the two fillings we did right on top. Right here, these two, 1 and 2. You can't even tell. See how perfect that is?
Wow.
Okay. Now back to the person who didn't brush. Who has 3 cavities. Okay. Bye, everybody. Say goodbye. The end. Okay.
I should have totally eaten before coming to the dentist. As you can tell, my smile is classic. It looks even more crooked than usual. Yeah, so came to the dentist. Appointment was at 10. It's about 12:40 now. So a little bit under 3 hours. But I mean, I think it's worth it. Trying to, get my teeth fixed now, or at least the fillings fixed now, then later when it gets worse and I have to pay even more. Came out to about $1,100. Actually, it came out to more than that, but that's about it. Now I think I'm gonna head home and take a nap. Little nap. And this is my smile. You know what I just thought about right now? I am still driving on my spare tire. So I'm headed back from the dentist's office realizing that I need to change my tire, so I need to fix it. And lo and behold, I'm actually driving by the place where I got my other tire. Apparently it was fixed. I went twice. It's this place on, I will say it because I don't want any of you guys to go there. The guy sucks. He charged me $30 for a used tire, which is $10 over what it should have been. And then $5 when I went back to get it fixed, which it was their fault anyways. On Woodley and Van Owen, and I will show you guys right now. Do not go here. So yeah, I don't like to give bad reviews, but really this guy is just, I don't know, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna go get new tires somewhere else. Probably end up paying $20, you know, for a used tire. But it might actually come out a lot better than the one that the Jalisco tires gave me. I think the guy's name is Ishmael or something like that. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm giving him a bad review. I've gone to him a few times. You know, I'm not the type of person to make the same mistake. I'm just the type of person to forgive and to give you another chance. Even though it was more than 3 times, you know? Oh wow, 3 times a charm. But yeah, it was more than that. So I don't want to consider myself insane or stupid or whatever for returning there, or returning to that place and trying to give him business. But yeah, he hasn't worked out, and I'm sorry, I just don't like him or the business that he presents to clients or customers, however you want. So far for the nap, huh? I'm so tired. I'm not so tired. I'm so scared of biting myself right now. Half of my face is numb. No, not my face. Half of my mouth is numb. And I really am tired of biting myself. I'm not tired. Scared. I'm scared. I am tired. But I'm really scared. I don't want to bite myself. And then, like, when I can actually feel something on my left side, be like, oh wow, why do I have this pain? Oh, it's because I bit myself. Well, you know, I couldn't feel anything. I probably look pretty stupid right now. So this is the place where I came, or where I ended up getting my tire fixed. They treated me right. It's on Sherman Way and Ethel. Sherman Way and Ethel. I ended up paying $15. They fixed the tire. Apparently it had a hole in it that the guy, when I went back the first time to the original place where I bought the tire, didn't fix. He just charged me for it. Charged me $15, and they got me a new hubcap. A new Nissan hubcap, because the one that I had on the tire was broken. I mean, I was driving around with it, I didn't really care, but he's like, you know, it doesn't really look too good, you know. And they got me another one within 2 minutes. And total came out to $15. If you guys can let me know of a place that you can get a better deal, that's around, you know, let me know, because I don't know. That is the best deal that I know of. And they're very courteous, you know, they work fast. And they got the job done. Now I'm headed back to Tech Media Group. Apparently what was wrong with it wasn't that the LCD screen was broken. Oh, I'm gonna go pick up the football camera. I guess the numbing is going away. I'm able to speak a little bit better. I can actually feel my tongue now. I'm headed back to Tech Media Group. They gave me the estimate on the camera and how much it's gonna be for labor and parts. Came out to $430. It's $430. It's not worth investing or putting that money into the camera anymore. You can get a new one that shoots HD, you know, for less than that. It's very sad, but I might just tell these guys to sell it for parts, you know? At least make a little bit of money off of it. Yeah, so I'm headed to Burbank now. My nap time rocks. It's homecoming night at Granada Hills. I'm really tired. I haven't really slept. But our JV is down 14-0. What's up, Pops? Aquí. También voy a hacer unos, ¿cómo se llama? En español, así la familia de Guatemala pueden. So it's homecoming night. They've set up bleachers and stuff for alumni to come in and sit down. That's actually pretty cool. Hopefully one day Birmingham will be like that.
Oh, Papa! Papa! Come look at the pretty lady. Come here.
Yolanda Divino. Está bien la portada.
Put it towards the light. Pick it up. That's tight.
That's hot.
¿No lo ha visto?
Todavía no.
Oh my God.
¿No se lo van a dar hoy? Ok.
Hoy no.
Hasta que ya se case.
I have to admit, Granada knows how to do it. She got hit by the ball.
He's getting hit in the back with a football.
Le dieron el pelotazo a Rusia atrás. Se cayó la pelota. Vamos ahí.